It's a good day. You know why? It's hair wash day. In today's video, I'm gonna show you my typical routine for when I go to wash my hair system. First off, I wanna tell you guys which hair system I currently have on, and that is the M105. It is a French lace hair system from Superhairpieces, so it's super breathable, and the attachment method I have used is the Walker Tape Ultra Hold. So the first thing that I do when I go to wash my hair is grab my trusty spray bottle. I use a spray bottle because I find it easier to control the water that way and get it to do what I want. You want to get it really wet. You want it to be like dripping in water. Your bio hair wet as well, you can wash that. Now that my hair is dripping wet, I'm gonna get my shampoo in my hand, only about like a dime to quarter size amount. Literally guys, this is like all I'm using. And then what I'm gonna do is just brush it through my hair like this. What's really key here is not creating knots. Don't rub it in like you would regular hair, bio hair. You really wanna do this motion, flattening it out, making sure it gets in there really well. Now that I have my shampoo in my hair thoroughly, I'm gonna take my trusty water sprayer again, and I'm gonna just spray my hair down once more. I'm gonna do that motion while I'm doing it. But this is how you gotta do it if you want to get that longevity with your hair system. Again, this is the M105, and it is a French lace system. What I do is I kind of like squeeze the hair, so kind of like squeegee the shampoo out. All right, you wanna take your towel? Right, I might spray it a little more. Now that I have my hair shampooed and wet, I'm gonna take my conditioner, because y'all know, because we wear hair systems, our hair doesn't get those natural oils from our scalp, so we gotta condition it. I'm gonna put that through my hair, the same way I did with the shampoo, y'all. Again, your hair will not receive those natural oils from your scalp because your hair isn't connected to your scalp. I'm gonna spray my hair down again. Lots of water, y'all. Lots of water. Same motion. Be careful of your eyes. Again, what's really key here is to not create any tangles in your hair system. Trust me, I learned that the hard way. I had some hair systems that I used to like just wash my hair the OG way, right? Like rub it in. It did not end well. I had knots all throughout my hair, knots out the wazoo, and I had to brush them out, and it did not end well. Let me just tell you that. Gotta do a little more water. Make sure that conditioner is all the way throughout and it gets out of your hair. But I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna take my handy dandy towel and kind of just press on my scalp to get all that moisture out. And it looks like this, right? Finally, what I'm gonna do might surprise you a little bit, or it might not. But this is kind of a hack with hair systems, right? Or your hair in general. Gonna squeeze a little bit of conditioner into my palm, maybe like a dime size, if even that. And just put it throughout my hair after my hair is towel dried. That will really make sure your hair is hydrated and ready to go for your week. You won't be out here with dry, crusty looking hair. And I might wear it like this, I might wear it curly. Like I said earlier, I like using product. I like styling my hair. I like that expression. Before I discovered Superhairpieces, I was out of luck. I did not know what to do. I could only do one style with my hair. It was really depressing as someone who likes to express himself through his hair and through his personal style. So I want to thank Superhairpieces for their amazing customer service, 24/7 through their website, by the way, and always being there to support me throughout my journey and providing me with the highest quality hair systems made with pure Indian Remy hair, and being there for any questions or comments that I have throughout the way. I hope this helped at least one person out there. If it helped you, leave a comment, let me know. I will go through and check these. But without further ado, I think that's all I want to say. I might, dry my hair a little bit more, go grab a snack, drink some water, stay hydrated, y'all. But without further ado, bye, y'all. Have a nice day.